Have you heard about the latest craze in software development? AI agents? They promise to write code, manage tickets, and even handle deployments. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, the reality has been a bit of a nightmare. These agents, while incredibly smart, often fail spectacularly when you try to use them in a real-world production environment. It's not because they lack intelligence, but because of something much more mundane: integration. Think about it. For an AI agent to actually be useful, it needs to plug into everything your engineering team already uses. It needs the right permissions to access code repositories. It needs to interact with your ticket tracking system, like Jira or Linear. It has to understand your build and deployment pipelines. On top of that, you need to manage its state, observe what it's doing, and ensure it's reliable. If an agent messes up, how do you even know what it did, let alone fix it? This integration pain is the single biggest barrier to adopting AI agents in professional engineering. But here's where things get interesting. A new wave of companies is emerging, and they're not focused on building a smarter AI instead. They're building the essential plumbing to make these agents work safely inside your existing systems. One early-stage company just announced a significant funding round specifically to tackle this problem. Their approach is incredibly pragmatic. They're not trying to replace your developers. They're trying to give them powerful, reliable tools. The idea is to embed AI agents directly into the infrastructure that engineers already know and trust. This means creating a runtime environment for agents that comes with all the necessary guardrails and operational controls. Imagine an agent that can help resolve a production issue. With the right infrastructure, you could see a full audit trail of every action it took. You'd know exactly which commands it ran, which files it modified, and which APIs it called. If it made a mistake, you could reproduce the outcome to understand what went wrong, and, most importantly, you could roll back its changes with a single click. This is a complete game changer. It shifts the conversation from "wow, look at this cool AI demo" to "here's a tool our CTO can actually approve and our teams can rely on." Suddenly, AI agents aren't just clever toys. They are safe, maintainable, and auditable members of the engineering workflow. This isn't just a small niche. It's the birth of a whole new market category, the Agent Runtime Market. The business implication here is huge. The company that successfully builds and owns this integration layer will become the default platform for deploying AI agents. They'll be the equivalent of what Docker or Kubernetes became for containers. Every company looking to leverage AI in their engineering teams will need a solution like this. It creates an opportunity to deploy dozens or even hundreds of small, specialized internal agents across different teams, one for handling CI/CD failures, another for triaging bug reports, another for automating code reviews. So, what should you be watching for in this space? Keep an eye out for concrete integrations. Which companies are announcing seamless connections with GitHub, GitLab, Jira, and Jenkins? These are the bread and butter tools of every software team. The more integrations a platform has, the more valuable it becomes. More importantly, look for evidence that these platforms provide the features that engineering leaders truly care about. Can you audit an agent's activities? Can you reproduce its results for debugging? And critically, can you roll back its actions safely when things go wrong? These are the features that separate a flashy demo from a mission-critical piece of infrastructure. The future of software development isn't just about smarter AI. It's about building the reliable, secure, and observable systems that allow us to put that intelligence to work. This is the next frontier in developer tooling, and it's happening right now. It's a really exciting time to be in tech. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown interesting, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights into the future of technology and software engineering. See you in the next one.